Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove different coins on Ellipal Titan 2.0. To do it, you can see here I have lots of different coins. If you want to enable or disable some of them, click on plus here in add coin. Now you can unselect the ones that you don't want to use or select the ones that you want to use. Enter your password. Click on confirm, and now it is added. You can see I have it right here. Later on, you should connect it to the app if it hasn't been yet done. The coin that you have listed here, if you connected the app earlier, then you'll need to click on connect to app if you want to connect it to the app. Then click on scan QR codes. Scan that QR code. I'm gonna click on don't remind me again. I'm gonna try again because the camera has stopped working. Okay, I think that don't remind button doesn't really work, so I'm just gonna click on I understand. Now you can see that it's added to my account. Now I've also disabled the Dogecoin, and in order to actually disable it, I don't really know if you can do it. Yeah, you can just slide it and click on minus. Now it's hidden from the app as well. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.